Our FlashCut Pro Series Titanium and Platinum servo controllers have seamless integration with the complete line of Hypertherm XPR high-definition plasmas. Our graphical user interface supports all of the plasma settings such as auto gas, voltage, pressure, and amperage, and it has full error code deciphering. And it has a great diagnostics panel which will show you all the settings in real time. We have full control of the gases, whether it be the core gas console, the VWI, or the OptiMix that we're using here in this demonstration. FlashCut has very smooth, precise, and quick motion, which is necessary for high-definition cutting. As an example, we are cutting out a champagne glass with a marked flashbulb and cutout bubbles, which will show our Smart 360 hole cutting technology, which easily makes accurate bolt quality holes through any thickness of steel that the XPR can handle. The FlashCut controller with the XPR software module integrates beautifully with any Hypertherm XPR.